Hey guys, it's Sarah aka saradplans. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing of the May Planner Society kit. So I'm going to go ahead and get the box out of the way and then show you guys what's inside. So I subscribe to the main kit and then I also get the washi tape add-on. So I'm going to start with the main kit and then I'll do the washi tape at the end. So the first thing is this really cute felt pouch, and it just has this ribbon to open and close it. It's white and it has these nice flowers on it. So there's that. Then we have two bow clips, and these are like velour. So we have this white one and a teal one. And then we have the little charm and also a little extender if you wanted to put it on like your happy planner or your recollections planner. This is the pen for this month. Little jewel at the top. And then you get your tabs and labels like every month. I'm not going to open these. And then these are the sticky notes for this month. Those are cute. They're gold foil. Then we have this little adhesive patch. So this peels off and then it's sticky. That's really cute. And then these are the die cuts. And then we have some puffy stickers this month. And these are like the decorative stickers that come in the kit. And these are the washi tapes in the main kit this month. So you have this gold foil marble and then this blue floral. And then the final part of the main kit are the papers. So you get front and back. And then you have this piece of vellum. And this piece of vellum, which is gold foil. And then this piece of acetate, which is gold foil, and it has the butterflies on it. That was cool. You flip it over and it's like silver foil. It's not as nice, but that's kind of neat. You can use it either way. So that's the main kit, and then now the washi add-on. So these are the 3 washies from the washi add-on. So you get this really wide one, a regular one, and then a skinny one. I really like these. Okay, you guys, so that is this month's, the month of May Planner Society kit and washi add-on. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!